Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And today we will do a quick tutorial on how I created the offset outline for the decal in this tutorial. Now, I'm a few weeks late on this one. I know, I apologize. I have a hard time getting around to creating some of these like smaller technical tutorials, but a lot of you asked for this, so I hope this is helpful. We're gonna be doing this in Cricut Design Space. Don't ask me how to do it in Silhouette because I don't know how to use Silhouette. I'm sorry. So I hope you guys love this video. Let me know what you thought in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this on Wednesdays, I will try to get around to doing more of them. So that's enough chit chat from me. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we've got Cricut Design Space open and we're gonna click on text and we're going to type in what we wanna say. For this example, we're going to make it teach. I'm gonna select my text there and I'm gonna click on System up here in the fonts list and we're going to type in VARSITY font. I've already downloaded VARSITY font to my computer. You can find it for free from dafont.com. So we're just gonna type it in up here to make it easier to find. And then once I find it, I will click on it. Now you'll notice that this font already has an outline around it. It's really hard to cut this out of vinyl, so I'm not using this version of the font. We're gonna type in all lower caps to remove that outline for this particular kind of font, all right? It's also too close together, so I'm going to select the text and we're going to go click on letter space and we're going to keep clicking the arrow up button till we get to about 1.6-ish, okay? Because we want to be able to see the outline around our text, okay? I'm also going to attach all the letters at this point. I've also sized my word there to what I will want it to be on my tumbler. Okay, so we want to make sure we have it sized right first before we start on this. Then I'm going to click on offset and I'm going to click on the corner sharp option for the offset so that I don't have rounded corners. And then we're going to move this little slider here until I get my desired width for my offset. I think for this first offset layer, I ended up doing 0.07, which you can actually just type into that little text box that's off to the side of the slider. I think I ended up doing that because I was getting annoyed with that slider. I couldn't get it to go to the width that I wanted. So I ended up just typing in 0.07. Then we're gonna click apply. So now you see the offset layer here. And what we're going to do is we're going to just select the offset layer. So just go over to layers there and just click on the offset layer. And then we're going to click on offset again to create an offset around the offset. Again, making sure that that corner option is set to the sharp option. And we're going to move our slider or just type in what we're wanting. I ended up typing in, I think, 0.08 for the width on this second offset layer. So I'm typing in 0.08. I actually think I typed in 0.09. Nope, changed my mind. 0.08. Then I clicked apply. So now I should have two offset layers, okay? So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to move the text layer that we created first off to the side because I don't need it right now. And then I'm going to select both the offset layers that I just created. So we're going to select them both and then we'll click slice. Once we click slice, I'm just going to click on the very outer outline there and then select the remainder and delete them both because I only need this outline right here. So now you can see we have a perfect outline that's thick enough for us to cut with our vinyl. Again, yes, this font does come with that offset outline already included, but it's a little too thin to cut with vinyl for what we're wanting to do. So I'll change the colors here so you can see as well. If you have to resize this after you make all these slices and whatnot, you'll just want to center the text layer with the offset outline that we created and then select them both to resize so that they're both proportionate and sized together accurately. Now I can go ahead and cut with my vinyl. We're using just regular white OPAL 651 vinyl for the teach, and then for the teach outline we'll use a really pretty opal holographic. So that's it for this tutorial. Super simple to do. You can get this done with just a few easy steps, and the same process could work on just about any font in Cricut Design Space. I think with the exception of maybe script fonts, that will be a little trickier. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's a good accompaniment to the last video that I did for this actual tumbler design. Let me know what you thought in the comments. And if you like my video, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every Saturday and sometimes Wednesday when I have the time. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. And a big thank you to all of our Flynn Sisters exclusive members. Thank you for your pledge. Your support means the world to our channel. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.